All of this art was entirely computer-generated by artificial intelligence. Using platforms like Midjourney, you can simply type in whatever phrase you want, and the system will generate a piece of art for you within a minute. There's plenty of AI art generators out there. Some are free, and some are paid and more robust. But these generators are perfect for creating concept art for games or films, or maybe creating some cool album art for musicians. But many artists are starting to feel like the computer overlords are going to kill their art form, while others think the AI will act as a powerful tool to enhance their art. What do you think? Are artists doomed because